Student, today the topic I am going to discuss is sample question on IP addressing. Actual, I take a remedial classes on sample question on IP addressing. If you want to go in the detail of IP addressing, you can go through my previous slide in which I will mention the classful IP addressing and other details. Now in this slide, we are going to discuss the questions on IP addressing. First of all, I want to give introduction about classful IP addressing that is useful in IP addressing numerical. We know that IPv4 is divided into 5 classes where class A to C is unicast addressing, D is multicast addressing and class E is reserved for future use. Now I am specify the ranges of different class because it is useful in numericals. Therefore, the class A range is 0 to 127, class B range is 128 to 191 and class C range is 192 to 223. We perform the question answer numerical on these three classes. Now I am dividing the classes with network ID and host ID. Class A is divided into network ID that is of 1 byte and host ID of 3 byte. In class B, network ID of 2 byte and host ID of 2 byte. In class C, network ID of 3 byte and host ID of 1 byte. Class D is used for multicast address and class E is reserved for future use. In numerical problem, we also use subnetting, where the task of subnetting is to divide the network into two or more network, or subnetting divide host part of IP address into subnet and host addresses. Now I am giving the procedure that before subnetting, the default mask range for class A is 255.0.0.0 and after subnetting the range is 255.255.0.0. For class B, before subnetting, the default mask is 255.255.0.0 and after subnetting the default mask is 255.255.255.0. For class C, before subnetting, the mask is 255.255.255.0 and after subnetting, the default mask is 255.255.255. Or any range of numbers. Now I am going to discuss the procedure of masking. It extracts the address of physical network from an IP address, or masking extract the subnetwork address from an IP address. Now I am going to discuss the example 1. If the IP address is given as 120.14.22.16, then we have to find the address of subnet address, and the subnet mask is given as 255.255.0.0. Then the solution is 120.14.0.0 by using the boundary level masking methods. Now if example is given for IP addressing without subnetting, then the solution is 120.0.0.0 for the IP address 120.14.22.16. Now this is the numerical in which we have to find the subnetwork address and host ID for the following. If suppose given IP address is 120.14.22.16, first we have to find that this is class A address and we use the subnetting. Therefore 2 bytes are reserved for network ID and 2 for host ID. Therefore the subnetwork address we find is 120.14.0.0. Suppose in section B, I am giving the class B example in which the subnetwork address is 140.11.36.22. Now due to subnetting, the default mask is 255.255.255.0. Now the subnetwork address is 140.11.36.0 for class B. Similarly, For class B, IP address given as 141.181.14.16, and where we have to find the subnetwork address. Therefore, the subnetwork calculated as 141.181.14.0. Same for D. If the IP address given as 200.34.22.156 and subnetwork address given as 255.255.255.240. As we already know, this is belong to class C IP address. Therefore, the solution is 200.34.22.144. Now, we will find the host ID according to the answers. For question A, the host ID we calculated as 14.0.0 for class A. For B, we calculate host ID is 36.0 for class B. For solution C, we find as host ID is 14.0 for class B, and for solution D, we find 144 as host ID for class C. Thank you, student, for today remedial class.